The smallest tech you wear might know more about you than the phone in your pocket. Right now, smart rings are quietly replacing bulky devices, tracking your body, understanding your habits, and giving you insights your phone never could. No screens, no distractions, just pure intelligence wrapped around your finger. This is exactly what you came for. And once you see what these tiny devices can actually do, you'll start questioning why you ever needed a phone for it in the first place. All rings are listed in the description below. Number 1. The most powerful tech you own shouldn't need a screen at all. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Ring, a device so small you forget you're wearing it, but so intelligent it quietly understands your body better than you do. Because most health tracking today is reactive, you check it later when it's already too late to change anything. You felt it, waking up tired without knowing why, feeling off during the day, wondering if your sleep, stress, or habits are actually working for you or against you. This is where everything changes. The Galaxy Ring tracks continuously your sleep, your recovery, your energy, then turns that data into simple insights you can actually use. Not overwhelming stats, but clarity. And suddenly, your decisions shift. You rest when it matters, you perform when you're ready, you stop guessing and start understanding your body in real time. No distractions, no noise, just quiet intelligence working with you every second. This isn't just a smart ring, it's awareness you wear. And once your body starts communicating this clearly, you'll realize the smartest technology was never meant to be seen, it was meant to be felt. Number 2. Your body is constantly sending signals. The problem is you're not hearing them. Meet the Oura Ring 4, a smart ring designed to translate what your body feels into something you can actually understand, because most people don't realize they're tired, stressed, or overworked until it starts affecting everything. You've felt it, waking up drained, pushing through the day, wondering why your energy feels off, but having no clear answer. This is where everything changes. Oura tracks your sleep, recovery, and daily patterns, then turns that data into simple insights you can actually use. Not overwhelming stats, but clarity. And suddenly, your decisions shift. You rest when it matters, you perform when you're ready, you stop guessing and start understanding your body in real time. No distractions, no noise, just quiet intelligence working with you every second. This isn't just a smart ring, it's awareness you wear. And once your body starts communicating this clearly, you'll realize the smartest technology was never meant to be seen, it was meant to be felt. Number 3. Performance isn't about pushing harder, it's about knowing when your body is ready. Meet the Ultrahuman Ring Pro, a smart ring built to decode your energy, recovery, and daily rhythm, because most people train, work, and live on guesswork, not real insight. You've felt it. Some days you're sharp, other days you're drained, but you don't know why, so you keep pushing anyway. That's where burnout begins. This is where everything changes. The Ring Pro tracks your body continuously, sleep, stress, recovery, and turns it into clear signals you can act on, not just data, direction. And suddenly, your routine evolves. You push when your body is ready, you recover when it needs it. You stop fighting yourself and start working with your biology. No screens, no distractions, just quiet intelligence guiding your day in the background. This isn't just a smart ring, it's control over how you feel and perform. And once you stop guessing and start understanding your body, you'll realize peak performance was never about doing more, it was about doing it at the right time. Number 4. The best health insights aren't the ones you check, they're the ones that stay with you all day. Meet the RingConn Gen 2 Air, a smart ring designed to feel almost invisible, yet constantly aware of what your body is going through. Because bulky devices, constant charging, and complicated apps don't just get annoying, they make you stop using them altogether. You've felt it. Starting strong, then slowly forgetting to track, taking devices off, losing consistency, and with it, losing real understanding of your health. This is where everything changes. Lightweight, effortless, always on. It tracks your sleep, recovery, and daily patterns without ever getting in your way. No interruptions, no extra effort, just continuous insight building in the background. And suddenly, something shifts. You don't think about tracking anymore, but you still gain clarity every single day. Your habits improve, your energy stabilizes, your awareness grows, without adding anything extra to your routine. This isn't just a smart ring, it's health tracking that finally feels natural. And once understanding your body becomes this effortless, you'll realize consistency was never the hard part. The tools just needed to disappear. Number 5. Wellness isn't about doing more, it's about understanding what your body actually needs. Meet the Oura Ring 2.0, a smart ring designed to bring clarity to your health, because most people are guessing their way through sleep, stress, and daily habits without ever knowing what's really working. You've felt it. Trying to improve your routine, sleeping earlier, eating better, but still feeling off with no clear reason why. This is where everything changes. Oura Ring 2.0 tracks your body continuously, turning invisible signals into real insights you can act on. Not just overwhelming data, but guidance that fits into your life. And suddenly, your decisions shift. You rest when your body needs it. You stay active when your energy peaks. You stop guessing and start understanding. No screens pulling you in, no distractions, just quiet intelligence working with you every moment of the day. This isn't just a smart ring, it's your body finally speaking clearly. And once you start living with that level of awareness, you'll realize true wellness was never about effort, it was about understanding. Number 6. Your body gives you signals every day. The problem is you don't always catch them in time. Meet the Circular Ring 2, the world's first medical-grade ECG smart ring, designed to bring deeper awareness to what's happening inside you before it becomes something you can't ignore. You've felt it, that moment of uncertainty when something feels off, but you don't know if it's serious or just temporary, and waiting for answers isn't always an option. This is where everything changes. Continuous tracking, real-time heart insights, a level of precision that goes beyond basic wellness into something far more meaningful. Not just data, but early awareness. And suddenly you feel different, more informed, more in control, less guessing about your own health. It's quiet, invisible, always working in the background while you live your life normally. This isn't just a smart ring, it's peace of mind you can wear. And once your health starts becoming something you understand in real time, you'll realize the most powerful technology isn't the one you see, it's the one that protects you without you even noticing. Number 7. The most dangerous moments in your health are the ones you don't see coming. Meet the VITA ring, a smart ring designed not just to track, but to alert, advise, and act when it truly matters. Because most devices collect data, but leave you alone to figure out what it means. You've felt it. Something feels off, low energy, irregular patterns, but you ignore it because there's no clear signal telling you to stop, adjust, or pay attention. This is where everything changes. VITA Ring doesn't stay silent. It watches, learns, and steps in when your body needs attention, giving you clear signals before small issues turn into bigger ones. Not just information, but direction. And suddenly, you're not guessing anymore. You're responding at the right time, making better choices without overthinking. It works quietly in the background, but when it speaks, it matters. This isn't just a smart ring, it's a system that looks out for you. And once your body has something that alerts you at the right moment, you'll realize awareness isn't enough. It's about knowing when to act. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechFutrix. Stay ahead.